so many stunning flowers all over the world. Hey, do you know something cool? You can actually change the color of flowers to whatever you want.
Wait, seriously? How does that even work?
Yeah, it's pretty neat. All you need is some food coloring and some white flowers, and you can turn them into a whole rainbow of colors. Here's how.
The materials we need are white flowers, jars or containers, food coloring, and water.
Start by preparing your flowers. Trim the stems at an angle using a pair of scissors, ensuring they are long enough to reach the bottom of the cup.
Next, fill each small cup or container with water and add a few drops of different food coloring to each cup. You can choose different colors for each cup.
Next, place one flower in each cup, making sure the cut stem is submerged in the colored water.
After that, leave the setup undisturbed for several hours or overnight. Observe the changes in color of the flowers.
Upon examining the flowers after the experiment, it was observed that the green and yellow food coloring had permeated the petals extensively, resulting in a vibrant and uniform coloration throughout the flower. In contrast, the violet, orange, and red food coloring exhibited a less pronounced effect on the flower. While some parts of the petals displayed a noticeable hue, there were areas where the color change was minimal or absent entirely. Overall, the varying degrees of color saturation observed in different parts of the petals highlighted the nature of water absorption and distribution within plants. So, how did this color change happen? Well, this experiment demonstrates the process of transpiration and capillary action in plants. Transpiration is the movement of water through a plant and its evaporation from aerial parts, such as leaves and flowers. Capillary action is the ability of water to move upward through a narrow tubes, such as the tiny tubes or xylem in the stems of plants. When you place the flowers in the colored water, the water is absorbed through the stems via capillary action. As the water travels up the stem and into the petals, it carries the dissolved food coloring with it. The colored water is then distributed throughout the petals via the plant's vascular system, resulting in the flowers changing color. This experiment is not only visually stunning, but also a great way to teach about plant biology and water transport in plants.